The Bradley fighting vehicle is a fighting vehicle platform of the United States manufactured by BAE Systems Land and Armaments, formerly United Defense. It was named after U.S. General Omar Bradley. The Bradley is designed to transport infantry or scouts with armor protection, while providing covering fire to suppress enemy troops and armored vehicles. The several Bradley variants include the M2 Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle and the M3 Bradley Cavalry Fighting Vehicle. The M2 holds a crew of 3, a commander, a gunner, and a driver, along with 6 fully equipped soldiers. The M3 mainly conducts scout missions and carries 2 scout troopers in addition to the regular crew of 3, with space for additional BGM-71 tow missiles. The Red River Army Depot in Texarkana, Texas, is the center of industrial technical excellence for the maintenance and repair of the Bradley system. The Bradley was developed largely in response to the Soviet BMP family of infantry fighting vehicles, and to serve as both an armored personnel carrier and a tank killer. One specific design requirement was that it should be as fast as the then new M1 Abrams main battle tank so they could maintain formations while moving. The M2 and M3's primary armament is a 25mm M242 Bushmaster cannon that fires either 100 or 300 rounds per minute and is accurate up to 3,000 meters, depending on the ammunition used. The M242 is a single-barrel chain gun with an integrated dual-feed mechanism and remote feed selection. It is also armed with a tow missile launcher that is capable of carrying 2 loaded missiles. The missiles, capable of destroying most tanks to a maximum range of 4,000 meters, can only be fired while the vehicle is stationary. The Bradley also carries a coaxial 7.62mm medium machine gun, located to the right of the 25mm chain gun. During the Gulf War, M2 Bradleys destroyed more Iraqi armored vehicles than the M1 Abrams. A total of 20 Bradleys were lost, 3 by enemy fire and 17 due to friendly fire incidents, another 12 were damaged. The gunner of one Bradley was killed when his vehicle was hit by Iraqi fire, possibly from an Iraqi BMP-1, during the Battle of 73 Easting. To remedy some problems that were identified as contributing factors in the friendly fire incidents, infrared identification panels and other marking and identification measures were added to the Bradleys. In the Iraq War, the Bradley proved vulnerable to improvised explosive device and rocket-propelled grenade attacks, but casualties were light with the crew able to escape. In 2006, total losses included 55 Bradleys destroyed and some 700 others damaged. By 2007, the Army had stopped using the M2 Bradley in combat, instead favoring more survivable MRAPs. By the end of the war, about 150 Bradleys had been destroyed. Variants of the Bradley fighting vehicle include the M2, M3, M4 Command and Control, Bradley Stinger, Bradley Warhammer, M6 Linebacker, M7 Support, Engineer Squad, Battle Command, M993 M270 Multiple Launch Rocket System Carrier, Black Knight, and the Armored Multi-Purpose version. In addition to the United States, the militaries of Lebanon and Saudi Arabia also operate variants of the Bradley fighting vehicle, along with potential future operators Croatia, Greece, and Lithuania. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and check back for our next video.